kurumirira no tugithie na mbere Minister wa ugitiri Kithure Kindiki augite ungumania uria wakiririe ruhonge-inĩ rwa ũthamia nĩguo ũcũngĩrĩirie kũgĩa na ũhaguku wa ugitiri makiria tharĩkĩra-inĩ cia itoĩ. Kindiki arĩtie arĩ mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ ugitiri kuria augite wabici ici iria irĩ nyũmba-inĩ ya Nyayo nĩkuo gĩtumĩro kĩa ungumania na woi wa mahaki.
Passport per day, 2,500 in the day, 2,500 in the night. We had a problem. The Department of Immigration did not have appropriations in aid. It was generating a lot of income, but it goes to Treasury, and they are left there. They can't buy even a printer worth 100 million, yet they are producing nearly 20 billion a year. So we have got some appropriations in aid now. We are increasing the capacity. And I believe by the next, when I give my next public accountability statement in a month's time, I will have reports on where we are. We will clear that backlog, and we will turn, while the ID might take up to 21 days because of maybe special security procedures, the passport must take 7 days. And in another year, I have contracted with the State Department to move it from 7 days to 3 days.
Wow. And
in emergency cases, 24 hours. So we reached there, Chair. I just need a bit of focus in that department, and so forth and so on. And then my sister, the member for West Pokot, I remember all the promises I made. I have fulfilled some of them. You asked for a GSU camp. It was established the next day. What is remaining is now a few things like the reconstruction of schools, which is ongoing with the support of the military, and then also I promised to increase the administrative units, which I'll be coming there in September to add a few more divisions, locations, and sub-counties to enhance security in that area. But I remember all the